Right. Yeah. Okay. So make it the next steps. Okay, how to create the the first circle, and that circle also create this eyes line. This is this eyes. First make the eyes line and keep the two small spot over here. Okay, these are eyes. First steps. Then show me, show me, show me. Both are. Oh yeah, fine, fine, fine. You can practice that. Okay, I send the picture. Okay, this picture is sent in WhatsApp. You can practice. I send few more pictures. Thank you so much, Beta. Take care. So make it here the small eyes like this. Okay. Hi Rani. Rani can join, right? So let's start. Side. Mute yourself. Is disconnecting to audio. Rani, madam, can you mute yourself? The sound is coming. Mm. So here is make it this line. So this position for the eyes. Okay. Okay, here. So I just make the panda. Okay. So nice. Here you can make this. This is nose line. So you can create here the nose like this. Okay. So here is it. Make a oval like this. Okay. Make an oval like this. Very simple. And here you can make the. See how to create very easy way. So one circle, and one oval. Okay, I draw here all again. One circle, one oval. You must make like this first, and into this eyes line. Okay, here. How easy you can draw any animals in the world, just using this way. Okay. So and the nose, eyes, and ear, the same position. Nose, eyes, ear. You always draw the ear like this. Okay, nose, eyes, and ear, all this only the same proportion. Okay, got it? Neha? Yeah. Then I got it, Peter?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So first we make the head, and now I can create the body. Okay. So how to draw the body? The same things. Make one more circle. It's about torso. This is a head. This is a torso, and this is a
What a
pelvis.
torso.
The head. This is the head. This is the torso, one circle, and here the pelvis.
Sir, what's a torso?
This is the torso. See
No,
here.
I meant like describe what's a torso.
Torso is a chest part.
The
Head,
chest
chest,
part.
and kama. This is the pelvis. This kama. Torso. So I just draw like this. See this. Join the torso and just join the torso and pelvis. I joined this both here, and here also I joined torso and pelvis. Okay. Fine. Now I just add here the eyes, this, the leg, one. This is simple. See, I just add the one leg, two leg. Okay, three leg, just like this, yes, three leg, and four leg. Like this. Okay, So I'm creating here this panda is actually panda. So panda, you know, this part is black leg and the eyes part is the black. Here you can put the black. It almost looks like a bear. I panda have a big nail like this. You can draw this sharp big nail. Okay, like this.
Those are the claws.
Yes. Just make it. Understand that? Just do this. Aram se take your time. Okay. So it should be this is the same proportion. So something here. Oh, some grasses over here. Okay. But the basic shapes you understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is a head. This is torso. This is a pelvis. Joint torso and pelvis. And make a head over here. And then one leg, two leg, three leg, four leg. This is the basic. Understood?
Understood.
Very nice. So take time. Okay.